Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about resetting a user's password in Windows Server Active Directory. I'm currently logged on to my DC1 in my Server 2019 domain. I have Server Manager up and running, and the next thing we're going to do is go to Tools. From Tools, we're going to select Active Directory Users and Computers. Once you're inside of Active Directory Users and Computers, go to your users container. Now normally by default it would be the users container, but you may have users positioned in other OUs up inside of your Active Directory. Either way, you find that user, you're just going to right click and you're going to select Reset Password. Now the user may have forgotten their password, and if that's the case, the account may be locked. You can also unlock it at this time as well. Now if you don't want the user to be able to change their password, go and uncheck the box. Now normally we would just give them a default password. So we just type in the default password. We notify them that they can log on now, give them the default password, and they'll be required to change the password at their next logon. If you still have your complex password policy in place, they will be required to have at least 7 characters in their password, upper and lower case, a number, and an alphanumeric character. Go ahead and say OK. And now you get the message that the password for test user has been changed. Notify the user, and now the user will be able to log on, and when they do, they'll change their password to something only they will be familiar with. That's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about resetting a user's password up inside of Active Directory for Windows Server. So if you have any questions or concerns about any of the material that was covered in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.